There you go. A beautiful, soft side fringe. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for being here. So on today's video, what we're doing is going to be working on this mannequin. So we've just done the collarbone lob. So you can see there's the collarbone, just grazing that collarbone just like that. But we wanted to put a fringe in. And we were left, because we originally did a curve cut, but we did it from center. We've now done the collarbone lob with a side part. So we're left with this heavy sort of disconnection here. We want to blend that in. So we want a longer side fringe that blends into the length. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Really, really easy right now. So all you basically want to do is, the hair is sitting that way. So basically we want to just be pulling it over this way, because what that will do, elevating, it's going to soften it. But you can see there is the shortness, which will blend into there. So we grab all of that, we take all of the fringe. Now if we pull that straight down, there's a slight little curve in there, which is from the bangs. Don't know if you can see that. But what we're going to do now, we're going to find the shortest piece from that side, over direct it all the way across the client's face. So now there's the shortest bit and all this length we've got there. Let me just get that comb out the way so you can see. So from there to there, that being the longest bit, but when we over direct it to here, it's the shortest bit, and that's the bit that's going to connect. So what we're going to do, elevation to create softness, we're just going to point cut like so to connect that line. And then again, I just want to take away any hardness. And this is a hack I don't know if I've showed, to be honest. What I do to create softness in hair, I'm just, so just want to show you. We're now left with that. When it travels, we've now got that short piece here going into that long piece. But it's still sitting that little bit hard or heavy. And this is a trick I like to do. And I got this from Sam Villa when I was in Vegas at one of his shows. Basically, where we would take that section like so into the palm of our hand, we could chip into it like that. Or this was a game changer for me. Instead of like that, fingernails to you, in like that, come up to about 2 inches, 3 inches from there, and then make a fist, which then fans it all out. Then you can see where the weight is and where you want to soften off. And you just get your scissors and then deep point cut right into there to give loads and loads of softness, loads and loads of texture. But we're not going to be left with a weighty fringe anymore. So one more time, in like that, make a fist, and then you just look at the weight. And with the weight, you can tell that isn't weighty, because you can see sort of through it. There is weighty. So I still need to work on that there. There we go. It's just a little bit more see-through. So that means it's going to be a little bit softer. Now, pop my scissors down, and then we'll comb that across. But you can already see how much softer, and we've actually got that angle now. So let's just comb it across. Get that out of the way. Bring her around to you. Be mindful, this mannequin, she just sits really wonky. Look at her. It's like she had a couple of drinks. And I don't really know why, because I keep leveling it up, but it just keeps on going wonky. Right, no. There. Stay there. Let's just comb this length out of the way, just so you can start to see that fringe. But how quick and easy was that to create a really soft fringe? And look at it, how soft it is and how wearable that is. And you can see we've got that angle from short to long. Let's just see if it will comb in without doing anything really to it. There you go. A beautiful, soft side fringe. I hope that has helped anybody who's thinking about having a side fringe. If you've got a collarbone length lob or this sort of hair length, and you're thinking, oh, should I have a side fringe? Should I go middle? Check out my last video. You could see it from centre passing. And then we've just put in a really nice, soft side fringe. And that hack where we take it, make a fist, chip in, is a lifesaver in the salon. Let me know in the comments down below if you will use it. I'd love to know. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, don't forget to thumbs up. And until next time, I will see you on the next video.